For half of the world, the start of spring is right around the corner. And while winters here in upstate New York tend to linger another month or so, even we are starting to feel the weather warming and the days getting longer. So as the world begins to renew itself, it's time to bring some of that energy indoors with a fresh redesign for your kitchen. You don't need to go for a full remodel, but a thorough cleaning and a few decorative touches can go a long way to rejuvenating a room. Adding a few plants are a perfect way to begin your spring refresh. You can either add a new plant to your home or just select a few trimmings from another plant in your home and display them in a vase in your kitchen. Lilacs are particularly appealing when overcoming the anxiety of harsh winters, and lavender's calming aroma brings the presence of spring front and center in your kitchen. Bringing plants into your kitchen can make a wonderful addition. Another choice for plants might be some of the bulb plants. Daffodils, tulips, and crocuses are all spring flowers here in the Northern Hemisphere. Consider adding a few fresh cuttings from bushes and plants around your house to bring the spring indoors. You can go outside and cut twigs off of bushes like pussy willow or red dogwood. Place these in a glass jar with some colored rocks in the bottom. Consider bringing some of these into your kitchen, either as live plants or cuttings in a vase to accent the freshness and joy of a spring day. If you enjoy cooking with fresh herbs, and let's face it, who doesn't? Don't overlook the opportunity to begin an in-home herb garden. Not only do they add color and oxygen to your kitchen space, but having fresh herbs so close at hand will make a profound impact on your cooking as well. There are plenty of planter options. Consider using mason jars or ceramic pots or another decorative container, which you find especially appealing. Make sure to use stones for drainage. Add the proper soil and place them on a windowsill and let them grow. Next, consider some fresh patterns and design elements that help reflect the changing of the seasons. Maybe a few new pieces of kitchen art or a table runner and some decorative kitchen towels. Floral prints can lend a classic, even kitschy spring look, while natural textures like muslin or burlap can add a rugged but fresh look. Change out your heavy winter window coverings for something light and airy, and open those windows up. Nothing feels more like spring than a fresh breeze coming in through the window. One favorite that people have enjoyed throughout the ages: bake a fresh spring pie, something with a sweet aroma. Set it in the window when there's a nice breeze, and it'll fill your kitchen and adjacent rooms with a pleasant smell that'll make you smile just like the sun does outside. If you have children, consider having them participate in a thorough cleaning for your kitchen, scrubbing the counters and the walls, and consider using something that will give it a pleasant aroma. Murphy's oil soap is a popular choice. It deep cleans and it'll leave a pleasant pine aroma after you're through. To get some visual ideas for your kitchen, consider going on a site like Pinterest. Type in spring kitchens and see what types of images come up. From these images, I'm sure you'll find some especially appealing ideas that you can use in your kitchen. If you feel you need some new things and you're on a budget, consider going to a craft store or dollar store. They often have wonderful spring-themed decorative items. You might pick up a few for just a couple of dollars or so that can add a lot of joy and color to your kitchen. Spring is a wonderful time to refresh the look and feel of any room in your home, but it's especially true of the kitchen as your menu changes from warming soups to cooler, fresher fare. Hi, my name's Gordon Van Fleet. Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell will let you know about our upcoming videos about kitchen design and remodeling.